Hi, this video is to guide you how to use Item86 in Firepos. This function normally is used for the item that may not be enough ingredients to continue making a certain dish or drink, or the item may not be good anymore. Now we want to let this 3 item as example to become not available. To achieve this, first we click Item86. Then find the item by select category. Tick the item you want to make it not available. We go back into table to see how it works. Now you can see this 3 item already become not available and show as sold out. To make it back to available, we go back to Item86. Then untick the item. Now you can see the item already back to available. Thanks for watching.